Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode from my What's in My Kit series. My name is Amia Serrano and I'm a fashion stylist. What I will be sharing today in my kit are Pampers baby wipes. So why baby wipes? Glad you asked. First off, these are by Pampers. This is not a sponsored ad or anything. I think I just use this brand because this is one of the first brands I picked up. One thing to look out for, because you can use any brand baby wipes, but one thing to keep in mind is them being sensitive. And I say sensitive because it doesn't have fragrance, it doesn't have dyes, it's good on skin. Going back to why I have them in my kit, it's because baby wipes, they clean things. I especially use these for shoes to wipe down any scuffs that will come off or dirt on the sides of the shoes. Even the bottoms before I'm returning shoes to the stores. When I say using these on shoes, it's mainly for like leather or smooth surfaces where you can easily wipe things off. And these are also great to have so that when you're on location and you want to like clean your hands before you put on a garment or before the model puts on a garment, these are great to have. This is just a single pack of 56 wipes. You don't need that many because I don't use these an awful lot, and there's just so many that you're not going to be wiping down things like every shoot. You can now shop these on my Amazon storefront at the Shop What's in My Kit link on my channel. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe for more.